$3,000, guys, in few minutes of trading with the boom killer board, guys. I think this is more than 100% of this account has been achieved, guys. You can see this. So that is why we are closing everything manual, because you know we are not greedy in the market, guys. Take a good look of this. Take a good look of this, guys. It does not matter any account size you have. The boom killer board is capable of trading in any account you have, guys. So it's high time for we to recover all our losses from the Forex broker, guys. Stop losing us. Stop losing us, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. This is so interesting, guys. This is so interesting, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna do this shit manual, closing it manual, because at the same time, guys, I'm going to place a withdrawal, guys, because you know we spend from our withdrawal, our profit. It's not from our deposit, guys. We trade at the same time, we make withdrawal and we make profit, guys. Look at this, guys. Come on, come on. Yeah. You can see this. Okay, I told you guys, I'm doing this shit fast. I'm doing this shit so fast. Okay, guys, let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Everything is on blue, guys. Let's wait for it. This is the work of the boom killer board, the PV2, guys. This is what it's capable of doing, guys. Just wait for it. Okay, guys. All right, this shit so fast, so fast, guys. All right, you can see for yourself. Everything's just blue. We are killing the broker, guys. Yeah, we are done. Okay, let's wait for it. Boom, you can see it. You can see this. You can see the withdrawal in this account. $2,980 something has just been withdrawn, guys. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video.